Pescador Pro is a real fishing kayak for real enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable on lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and recline, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle park, and a cupboard. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.
From sea to shining sea, and all the rivers, lakes, and streams in between. America's waterways are among the most beautiful and inviting in the world. As the world's leading manufacturer of kayaks, we've introduced more people to the joy of paddling those very waters than any other brand. Period. In fact, we pioneered modern kayak design and construction over 40 years ago, and have led the industry ever since. We're a company of passionate paddlers who proudly design, mold, and hand assemble our boats in the USA. We're devoted craftsmen, women, and a keen attention to detail, quality, and personal touches are evident in every kayak we make. Our proprietary materials and state-of-the-art processes produce the most comfortable, stable, durable, and safest kayaks available. But don't just take our word. With an unrivaled reputation of excellence and innovation, and a full lineup of boats that make kayaking fun for all experience levels.
Live it up and enjoy the ride in Perception's latest lifestyle-inspired recreational kayak, the Joyride. The Joyride series of sit-inside kayaks are designed to be easy to paddle, feature-rich, and flat-out fun. Perfect for enjoying flat or slow-moving waters, the exceptionally stable, straight tracking, and easy-turning design gives new paddlers a boat that will grow with them as their skills progress and is equally fun for more experienced paddlers. It's also lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry and easy to store. The spacious sit-in cockpit is easy to get in and out of, and the thick, ventilated, premium padded seat with contoured backrest offers industry-leading adjustability. The heart and soul of the Joyride is the conveniently clever entertainment center dashboard, a hub for staging your electronics and gear right within your reach for an enhanced on-water experience. The dashboard features the patent-pending selfie slot, a totally unique way to stage your smartphone and capture and share your best on-water moments. Also located on the dashboard is the solo mount accessory system with the Perception Solo Mount base enables easy installation of a wide variety of accessories and mounts to hold phones, tablets, speakers, cameras, fishing rods, fish finders, cup holders, and much more. Top it off with a 2-position water bottle holder and gear trays equipped with quick lash bungee for extra security while out on the water. Gearing up to spend all day on the water is a breeze with the spacious hinged hatch dry storage compartment, allowing you to easily access your stowed items of nearly any shape or size. As with all Perception kayaks, the Joyride was proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA. Available in 2 sizes and a variety of colors, the Joyride is your all-access pass to fun.